Oh, thank God. Okay. All right. Good to go there?
Yep.
All right, so let's reset the
Jog it around a little bit.
Yeah, we can do
it.
Let's pop the door.
And the live tools.
Do that with the,
we can do the live tools as well.
yeah, we'll get those going. That might take me a couple seconds to figure out. That's okay. So we're going to go, this thing here, you got to use this thing. I got to put it in. Yeah, there she goes. Let me turn the speed up a little bit so you can see it here. Whoop, I just soft limited it in one direction or another. So I know this machine's I know where the reset button is. There's that. We're going to go in X, which, oh, not bad. There we go. There's that way there. And we've got our tool tower going. That guy too. Yeah, real low hours in this guy stuff.
Looks brand new.
And then we got this one here, which only wants to go down. There we are. And I'm gonna move the Z.
Z's gonna be back.
You see that one there?
Oh, you can actually see it?
Oh, yeah, there you go. There.
Hold on, let me zoom in.
Let me know, Aaron. Alright, we're good. Alright, I'm going to suck that puppy in there so that we don't hit it when we do the next one, which is this guy. Alrighty. Jog the Z back out a little bit here just so we're clear. And I think that's all the axes, right?
I think so.
Alrighty. Yeah, alright, you got that. Hoping my next gig is out of the machining side of things. If I have to learn another goddamn CNC machine, dude, I swear to God. It's like a common afternoon diffusing a bomb. Oh, God, it's fun. I'm not a real machinist. I just film this. No BX rolls, thank God. That guy. Do the Tsugami red man. Oh, we're going to give you a B axis, and then they'll tell you it's going to be turnkey. That's my favorite thing.